What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Raven from Teen Titans Go. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page at the top edge of the eyes. So we want to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left with a straight line going all the way across towards the outside. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing, drawing the same length line. Now we want to close off the bottom of the eye with a curve, starting from the outside, coming down, and then up, and then do the same thing on the right side. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, coming down and then up, line it up on the right side. And I want to trace that along the inside, coming down and up. Over on the right side, let's draw a small curve for our highlight. And then we'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Now let's go in between the eyes and draw a small point, coming down and then up. Curve the edge of the mask, going out and then down. Let's round out the bottom. And then we'll move up and draw a small curve going up and down for the mouth. Now I'm going to move up in the center towards the forehead. Start with a point. Let's draw the inside edge of the hood. We're going to start with the left side. Bend this out and then up. Go back to the center, bend this up and then out towards the same height. Let's work our way around the eyes, starting back on the left, going out and then down. Now I want to close off the bottom, coming down underneath the mouth area and then bend that back up. Now I want to trace this curve along the outside. So step over on the left, curve this down, go across, and then back up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to bend this in, go up, and then we'll bend that in towards the top of the head. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to bend this in and up, and then bend that in along the side. Now I'm going to flop the hood over towards the right side. So we're going to start up here, go across, and then bend that down. Come around the side of the head, and then curl that back up. Let's bend this down and in towards the side. Now I'm going to move down to the center, draw two straight angle lines coming down and out, close off the bottom. Let's go back up and out, curve this down and in towards the center point. Now I want to move out and draw the outside edge of the body. Let's start on the left. Going out, and then bring that all the way down towards the bottom. Go over towards the right side, come down, and then bend that out towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's go to that center point, split the body, coming down, and then out. I'm just going to add a couple folds over on the right side, starting on the right. Bend this out and then down, come back to the center, go out all the way down towards the bottom. And then I'll switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the head. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Raven from Teen Titans Go. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.